Good morning, my name is Fatou Benoit and I work for Palm Beach County Fire Rescue. Today I'm going to show you how to install a car seat for your child. Before selecting your car seat, you have to make sure that it is appropriate for your child and according to weight and height. So this is a convertible car seat, and for rear facing it goes from 5 pounds to 40 pounds, 19 to 40 inches, and forward facing it goes from 22 to 65 pounds and 28 to 54 inches. We recommend that all children stay rear facing at least until the age of 2 years old or until they have met the highest weight limit of that rear facing position. So to install this car seat rear facing, we need to use a reclining foot. This is the Reclining Adjuster. The reason why you want to use it is for the child to be reclined at least at a 45-degree angle to keep the airway open, because when children are newborn, they cannot sit upright. They need to be laying down a little bit to keep their airway open. Now I'm going to show you how to install the car seat using the seat belt of the car. We always have to make sure that when we install the car seat, that the car seat is locked in place. To lock the car seat in place, you're going to have to pull the seat belt of the car all the way until you cannot pull it anymore. You hold on to that shoulder belt portion. Then you thread it to the rear facing belt path of that convertible car seat. This seat in particular comes with 2 belt paths because it goes rear facing and also forward facing. You have to thread the seat belt through the rear facing belt path of the car seat. You're going to thread both shoulder belts. You reach on the other side and you buckle it. You always have to make sure that nothing is twisted. Okay, everything needs to lay flat. Now, once you have buckled the seat belt, you let go of the shoulder belt. You put pressure at the center of the seat and you pull on your shoulder belt to remove all the extra slack that is on your lap belt. Once you have removed all the extra slack, you can just fit in all the slack inside that portion. To test if your car seat is installed correctly and it's tightly installed, you have to test it from the belt path, side to side and front to back. It should not move more than 1 inch. When you install your car seat rear facing, you should always make sure that you have space, a hand space between your front passenger seat and your car seat. You should be able to slide your hand through between the car seat and the front seat. So once the child has reached the weight limit of that rear facing position, which is 40 pounds, now you can be ready to install that child forward facing. Remember to put your reclining adjuster back to the forward facing position mode. When installing your car seat forward facing, there is one more step. You have to use the tether connector. This goes and attached behind your seat on a tether anchor. Make sure that you locate your tether anchor with the help of your owner's manual. Remember to place your tether connector towards the front of your seat so you have access to it before the installation. Now, same for the rear facing. You're going to pull the seat belt all the way until you cannot pull anymore. The only thing is you have to thread it through the forward facing belt path. You're going to thread it through the forward facing, make sure everything lays flat. Buckle your seat belt, make sure everything lays flat, not twisted. You're going to put pressure at the center of the seat and pull on your shoulder belt to remove all the slack that is on your lap belt and put it inside that part. Once you have buckled your seat belt and get everything tightened, there's one more step. You have to lock your tether. And to do that, you're going to fit it under the headrest and hook the tether that is placed just behind the seat. Once you hook it, you pull on the strap to tighten it. And you hide your strap just behind your seat. To test for tightness, same for the rear facing, you're going to test at the belt pad, side to side, front to back. It should not move more than 1 inch. So that was a convertible car seat installation placed rear facing and forward facing. Remember to keep both vehicle and owner's manuals handy when doing your car seat installation. Make sure as parents that you always lead by example by buckling your seat belt as well. If you need more information, please call 561-616-7033. Thank you.